My name is Trevor Joseph. I own this beautiful 911 997 C4S. I've owned it since 2019 and it's been an amazing car, not without its problems, but I've really enjoyed the experience of owning it. I run a YouTube channel where I document car culture and I interview owners about what it's like to own cars like the Porsche 911 and various other German cars, and I kind of fell into that scene because I bought this car. I discovered the Porsche community and it's just been a great experience over the last 5 years of ownership. Since I've owned this car, I have pretty much gone over every single nut and bolt, not with a happy face most of the time. So I'd say the biggest thing that I've done with this car is it's had an engine rebuild. It suffered from the dreaded bore score. At that point, I nearly sold the car. I was so disheartened by it, but I kept it. And since then, the car's been an absolute dream. So as you can see, the car isn't standard. I have modified it. I do come from that era of wanting to modify every single car I own. But I guess the biggest upgrade on this car is the 991 wheels and the Bilstein suspension, which I bought from Design 911. And the car rides like it's a race car, and I absolutely love it. It really inspires me to want to push the car hard. The car came with the aero kit, but just to finish it off, I added the GT3 RS rear bumper and the Miltech exhaust, and it has the center exit exhaust, which I also bought from Design 911. I added the short shifter as well to give me that sort of nice, clunky motorsport feel. When it comes to driving this car, I think because it's the four-wheel drive, it does give you that little extra confidence that you can push the car, especially in wet and damp conditions, and it's a real pleasure to drive. When it revs at low speeds, it's quite tame, but as soon as you put your foot down and you really give it the beans, this car opens up and it becomes a completely different animal. And I think that's one of the things I love about Porsches. You really have to drive them to really experience what they're really about. I'm really happy with the car at the moment. However, there are a few small touches that I feel the car needs for it to feel more like a modern classic. One of them is the interior. I would really love, and this is just for practical reasons, cruise control, because the 997 C4S didn't come with that. I do love the 991 steering wheel. I'd like to change the gear knob as well. I am an IT guy. I don't really have mechanical tools and skills, but one thing I want to do with this car is do more work myself, and I feel like Design 911 could really help when it comes to parts and the community as well, because they're so helpful if you have any problems or issues or you're struggling to understand how something works. The community is there to help out. Considering how much I've spent on the car in terms of maintenance, I'm pretty happy that the car is reliable. Before you start modifying and enjoying the car, you need to get them reliable. They are classic cars. The car is a 2006 model. Though I plan on keeping this car, I've spent a lot of money trying to make the car reliable, and I think as a 997, these cars are of the age where things are starting to go wrong. So for the future, I want to take it on a few track days, I want to take it on some road trips, visit some cars and coffee events, and really enjoy this car, because 911s are completely unique to cars on the road, and once you get into one, it's very hard to get out of. They're brilliant cars to drive, they're so much fun, and they just put a big smile on my face.